In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the page number from the first page of a document in Microsoft Word. This is a very useful feature, especially when creating reports, essays, or professional documents where the first page is usually a cover page and shouldn't display a page number. Microsoft Word makes this easy, and you can do it without affecting the numbering on the rest of your document. To start, open Microsoft Word and open the document where you want to remove the first page number. If your document doesn't have page numbers yet, you can first insert them by going to the Insert tab at the top of the screen and clicking on Page Number. Choose the location you want, such as top of the page, bottom of the page, or in the page margins. Once page numbers are inserted, double-click on the header or footer area where the page number appears. This will open the Header and Footer Tools Design tab. Here, you'll see several options to customize headers, footers, and page numbers. Look for the option labeled Different First Page and check this box. When you select this, Word automatically removes the page number from the first page while keeping it on all subsequent pages. If your document already has page numbers and you only want to remove the one on the first page, the process is the same. Double-click the header or footer to open the editing mode, then check the Different First Page option. The page number on the first page will disappear, but the numbering on all other pages remains intact. This ensures that your document maintains proper page numbering starting from the second page. After enabling this option, you can continue editing your document as usual. You can also customize the page numbers on the remaining pages by changing their font, size, or alignment to match your document style. If you need to add or remove additional headers or footers, you can do so without affecting the first page because it is now treated separately. This feature is especially useful for professional documents, academic papers, and reports, where the first page often serves as a title page. By using the Different First Page option, you maintain a polished and professional layout without manually deleting or moving page numbers. That's all it takes to remove the page number from the first page in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.